intuitive natural building material. Vastu World Learning brings you another special course where we are talking about how building material affects us and what are the vibrance of these materials, because every building material which is natural, you need to concentrate here on natural building material. We are talking about intuitiveness of natural building material because they have prana, they have come out from the natural resources which are based on earth. All these natural sources which has the earth vibration vibrates and they are intuitive because they connect to our body resonance. So human body living in an intuitive natural building material always feels connected, feels good. And as an architect, as a building construction person, or as a natural builder, you and your job is to understand the vibrance of each building material, because these building materials are the component of the structure around you which you're going to be creating for your client or for your own self. And these component of building, which is building material which is exposed, is going to affect the body. You're going to be healthy or unhealthy living inside the home. Natural building material have an amazing intuitiveness. In these 3 hours of learning, I'll be specifically telling you about intuitiveness and how to decode the vibrance, how to feel the building material. And also we'll be talking specifically on bamboo and rammed earth. Earth is one of my favorite building material. I have been building homes with earth as a major component. Along with that, the roofing, the upper structure, the tensile structure is bamboo. So bamboo is also something which is very close to me. And I use bamboo and earth to make homes, to make spaces, to make places where you live, where you breathe, and where you are intuitively connected. So welcome to this course, and we will be taking an understanding of natural building material and intuitive building material for 3 hours, and we'll be doing this journey together. Namaste and thank you.